Hello everyone, I'm Zerol Zapanta from Samis branch. I'm Mobile Recruitment Associate from Sales and Marketing. Nalaman ko ang GD5 kasi yung asawa ko dating SRA ng Toril, Davao City. Market Potential Opportunities for Car Wash, Target Loan Consultant to Recruit 5. Car Rentals 2. Car Shops and Accessories 3. Gasoline Station 7. Private Offices 7. Ito po yung direct competitors analysis natin. Una, Ishialing Finance Corporation, Regio Wealth Finance, RFC, Exquisite Lending Service Incorporated. These are some strategic plan for loan consultant recruitment. First, doing some field recruitment, doing some social media recruitment, doing some door-to-door recruitment, and mutual college. Ito po yung mga materialis na ginagamit ko sa pag-market. Una, tarpaulin. Pangalawa, loan consultant form. Pangatlo, flyers. Summary report of my loan consultant production chart. First, list recruitment of loan consultant. Second, ongoing client of my loan consultant. Third, picture of my field activities. Fourth and the last, time-to-time follow-up for loan consultant client. Recruited and oriented loan consultant. Sa makikita nyo, ito po yung active na loan consultant sa account ko at patuloy na nagbibigay ng account sa akin. Historical data of my loan consultant for the past 2 months. Una, si Stephen Rafaelo, noong March nakapagbigay siya sa akin ng 110,000 pesos in total. These are the pictures of my loan consultant na hanggang ngayon ay nagbibigay pa rin sa akin ng mga account. Pictures of my field activities. Nakita nyo naman ang mga litrato na ginagawa ko during sa aking field activities araw-araw. Magandang araw sa lahat. This is my life quote. Competition is not a basis, surpass them. Ibig sabihin nito, bakit mo pa sila kailangan tapatan kung kaya mo naman silang higitan? Salamat po.